Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to this video. Today we're creating this gorgeous kaftan dress. Begin by folding your fabric in half and half again. This will give you 4 layers. Pin the sides to prevent the fabric from moving. Measure the length of your kaftan. Mine was 60 inches long, and carefully cut this out. Then measure down 10 inches for the armhole and 7 inches for the neck width, 2 inches for the neck depth, and join the two together. From the fold line, measure and mark 20 inches for the width of the kaftan. Mark this measurement along the length of the kaftan. Then draw a line to join the armhole to the width of the kaftan as shown. Once you're happy, cut out your pattern and the neckline. Next, open up the kaftan and pin the sides. Now you have your complete pattern. We will also need some decorative trim to add to the wrist later on. Fold 2 pieces of fabric in half. These will be placed inside the kaftan as the ties. Mine were 44 inches long and approximately 4 inches wide on the fold. Begin by stitching the sides of the kaftan. Once you've done this, hem the neckline by folding as shown and doing a top stitch. And this is how it should look. Then hem the kaftan. Hem the armholes. Then finally we need to attach the trim around the armhole by hand stitching. Carefully place the trim around the armhole and hand stitch. This part takes a lot of patience. Once you've completely hand stitched it around the armhole, just cut off any excess trim. And this is how the armhole should now look. Repeat for the other side and the kaftan is almost ready. Next, turn the kaftan inside out. Fold the neckline in half to get the center. Measure down 17 inches from the shoulders to mark the waist area. From this point, mark 8 inches as shown on both sides. Double check the measurements, make sure they're both equal. We will later add the ties around these 2 points. Now stitch the ties together, leaving one end open. Trim off any excess material. Turn the ties inside out. Now carefully pin each tie at the markings we made earlier. Then carefully stitch them in position as shown. Remember, we're working on the inside of the kaftan here. Once you're done, the kaftan is complete, and here's the final look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.